Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is December the 5th, 2021. Tesla stock crashed. It sure did. It wasn't the only stock that crashed. I'm going to talk about that today for Tesla. Yes, you guys can see I did a video not long ago playing the weakness in the market, so you cannot be surprised. If you guys are subscribers on this channel, you already had a head up as to where the price is going to go. I'm not nervous. I'm not surprised. I knew that price in Tesla was going to go down back there on November 28th. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. This is what I do. I do price predictions without the confusion. Yeah, I don't confuse you all regarding technical indicators. I don't talk about Tesla's fundamental analysis. I don't look at their financial reports. Don't look at their financial statements. I don't care about any new models that they may have coming out. I don't care about what Elon Musk tweets about a particular what's going on with his company. None of that. I look at what other people are trying to do with the money, what they're trying to do with their own bread, because it tells us where price is trying to go. We already knew that. So for us to not see price in Tesla go down, you got to ask yourself the question, where am I getting my information from? Because we're giving you the correct information, accurate information regarding what we're expecting in terms of price movement. So make sure you keep it locked in here. Hit the like button, instead of video, also subscribe to the channel, tap the bell notification as well, because you don't want to miss it. Like I said, we already knew that price was trying to go down in Tesla, and that is exactly what happened. Now, let me get rid of this because you guys can see it. 7.59% in Tesla. Last time I did a video was on November 28th. It's still in our playlist, so you guys can go back and listen. Let's get rid of it though, because there's something else that I talked about on that video, and I want to see, all right? What do you think is the chances of us filling that gap in Tesla? You guys can see where the arrow is pointing at. That is a gap. Do you think that the market is about to fill it now? Now, I've identified where support is into the market in Tesla, right? And the market came there on Friday and touched it. So $1,000 is still a support area. That will be the only thing that will stop Tesla from filling this gap. That's it. So once I show you the 2 weeks time frame, I want to ask you all the question, what do you think will be the probability of Tesla hitting that gap? That's the name of the game. We got to be predictors. We got to be forecasters of price so that we can get ahead of the market, so that we can win. We cannot be reactionary to these moves. So seeing what price did on Friday, we saw 6% movement to the downside of Tesla. So you tell me, was it the buyers who won, or was it the selling that beat out the buyers on Friday's trading day? Right, it was the sellers. They won. They was able to push price in Tesla down to 1,000. Cool. Now we want to know though if they're still in control, because if so, then we need to be prepared to let the market continue to drop. All right, so let me show you something, because what happens on the 2 weeks time frame kind of lets us know that, yeah, this $1,000 is not going to hold in Tesla. We're not expecting the market to hold $1,000. I know a lot of people have you all guessing that that's a pretty good area to come in and buy the market. But looking at this from a 2 week perspective, it doesn't look like it. It looked like price still has a little bit more momentum to go down. I'm gonna keep it real. Hey, I'm not here to bust your bubbles or anything like that. It is what the price is showing us. We have to believe the charts. And the chart on the 2 weeks time frame is telling me that the market is still weak. What about on the weekly? This is even weaker in terms of seeing weakness. The weekly time frame, look at it. Over the last 4 weeks, let's look at these price bars right here. Let's look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of these 4 weeks right here, only one of the weeks we saw strength come through. One out of the 4. So what's been going on the last 4 weeks in Tesla has been selling. Yes. And the market has been upholding price because the big ballers, the ones who has the majority of the shares in Tesla, they still have shares to sell. And they're going to continue to keep the price elevated until they get rid of their positions. They want to make as much money as possible. That is why price has been upholding $1,000 over the last 5 weeks. They're selling. And everyone else is trying to tell you that you need to come in and buy it because price is cheaper. Buy it on a dip. Remember, this is what these YouTubers are trying to tell you. This is what these Wall Street analysts are trying to tell you. They want you to buy it because they got something to sell. That's how this game works. If I had a whole lot of shares to sell, I would be paying people to come in and say, yeah, this is the buy. This is the buy. This is the buy. You all would do the same thing because you got to create a market to offset your positions. This is not a friendly game. People are trying to take advantage of us. And the only way that we could take advantage of them is by us coming through and getting ahead of them. So that's why I'm here to tell you now, there's still some weakness here into the market in Tesla. Yeah, I'm still looking for the price to go down based off what I'm seeing on a weekly and a 2 weeks time frame. Look at this on the 3-day, 5-day time frame. Are you seeing any indications of market strength in Tesla? No, we're not seeing it. This area right here as well is restriction. Because over the last couple of 5-day price bars, Tesla could not break above $1,175. That's the vicinity. Okay. So hopefully you all have got the gist as to what the majority of the market is doing. They're selling. Now, given that that's the case, I'm not looking for Tesla to go up right now. Now, the only thing that will go against this price prediction is for us to see price maintain $1,000. That's it. Outside of that, expect the price in Tesla to come down here. Another 10.25%. Right? That's it. There's nothing else to it. $1,100 would now be the area of restriction for us to continue to play the weakness into the market in Tesla. Now, there's a couple of areas in between where price closed on Friday to where the biggest area of us to fill this gap. Yeah, I would take profits in between there too. First area would be around $980. Okay. So that would give us around 3.41% profitability for us to nibble off of. That's the first area. Second area for us to nibble would be down here towards 945. It's about 6.88%. Yeah, we can eat off that too. That's pretty good profitability in Tesla. Then the third area is when we fill this gap. Okay. Which is around 10.33%, $910. That's it. Now, we got a couple of weeks before we end out 2021. And I want to give your ideas to where you think the price in Tesla is going to go now. Do you think we're going to continue to go up? Do you think that price is going to pounce off this $1,000 and see market move higher? Let me know. We are one of the realest stock channels on YouTube. We're going to keep it real. If you don't agree with our analysis, that's cool. Drop the price prediction in. Tell everyone what is your price prediction into the market in Tesla over the next 3 to 4 weeks. I have shown you mine. Now tell me what yours is. All right, I'm done. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.